we are looking at converting centimeters to meters or meter to centimeter. For all of this question, we need to know this fact. That is, we have meter, then we have decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Since we are shifting things from centimeter to meter or from meter to centimeter, we need to either divide or multiply. Centimeter to meter, we need to divide with 10 and 10. So basically 100. In this case, into 10 into 10, that is multiplying with 100. So 100 is common number for both. Now let us take up 36 centimeter is equal to how many meters? So first thing first, we know that 1 centimeter is made up of 1 by 100th of a meter. So I'm going to substitute 36 into 1 centimeter as 36 into 1 by 100 meters, and this is 36 by 100 meters. There are two zeros and we have a decimal place over here, and we need to shift it to space. So 036, the decimal point originally was there before 6, and we are shifting it 2 times, and so your decimal point will be there. So 0.36 of a meter. That makes sense. Now similarly, 50 centimeter is equal to how many meters? Again, we'll start off by making a note that a centimeter is made up of 1 by 100th of a meter, and we have 50 into 1 centimeter, which is 50 into 1 by 100 meters, and this is 50 by 100 of a meter. So we have two zeros and we have a decimal place over here. We'll shift it to space, so 1 and 2, so it will be over there. So basically 0.50 meters. And then we have third question, 0.89 meters is equal to how many centimeter? This says ABC, I think C. Oh yeah, we are still in C, 0.89 meters. .89 meter is equal to how many centimeter? So we have 1 meter, which is equal to 100 centimeter, right? So using that fact, I'm going to rewrite this as 0.89 into 1 meter, and 0.89 into 1 meter can be written as 100 centimeter. Because there are two zeros, we need to shift this right to space, and so this is 89.0 centimeter. Next is how many centimeter is, or 4 centimeter is how many meters? 4 centimeter is how many meters? Let's have a look at this. So we know that 1 centimeter is 1 by 100th of a meter. Because of this, I can rewrite 4 into 1 centimeter as 4 into 1 by 100 meters, which is 4 by 100 meter. And since we are dividing, we need to shift the decimal place to the right. So originally it was over here, so 1 and 2, because there are two zeros over here. And so your new decimal place is over there, and this is meters. So for clarity, we'll just write it once more. Okay. Okay, I need some more space. What is the next question? 325 centimeter. This is okay. So This is equal to how many meters? So we'll start off by writing, because 1 centimeter is made up of 1 by 100th of a meter. I can rewrite 3 to 5 into 1 centimeter as 3 to 5 into 1 by 100th of a meter. And because there are two zeros and the decimal place is over here, so we have 3 to 5 decimal place, so 1 and 2. So many meters. Okay, then we have F. So dash is equal to 0.27 meters. Dash is equal to 0.27, right? Or 2.07. 2.07, right? 2.07 meters is equal to how many centimeters? So we know that 1 meter is pretty huge. So we are changing it to a smaller length. So this is 100 centimeter. And now we have 2.07 meters, which can be written as 2.07 into 1 centimeter, sorry, 1 meter. And in place of 1 meter, I'm going to write it as 100 centimeter because both are one and the same. So this is what we are doing, substituting. Because there are two decimal places, right? Two zeros basically. So we need to shift it to the correct right. And so this is 207 centimeter. I think that's it. Good practice. So please see to that you do it yourself as well. Go step by step. Have one line of thinking. Stick to one, whatever is convenient. If this is not convenient, if you learn some other method, stick to that, not an issue. But understand why we are doing it. It's just a language, it's a way of communicating, and there are certain rules that we need to follow, and that's it. If you follow that, you'll get the answer.